Voting rights advocates celebrated a victory for Spanish-speaking voters in York after reaching an agreement with York County's Board of Elections. And with polls opening tomorrow, the victory could not have come at a better time. Fox 43's Robert Stover joins us now with why the victory does mean so much for York County's Spanish and Puerto Rican community.
Well, Election Day is an opportunity to cast your votes and make your voice heard. But what happens when the language you speak doesn't match the language on the ballot? In October 2022, CASA and Latino Justice Puerto Rican Legal Defense and Education Fund filed a lawsuit against York County Board of Elections for not providing several Spanish language services to voters. Both parties would eventually reach an agreement, with the county expected to provide Spanish language services for Election Day 2023.
What we hope that this election moving forward, that all Spanish-speaking voters and Latinx voters feel empowered to cast a ballot in their preferred language and actually feel part of our democratic system.
The agreement ensures more than 150 precincts in York County will have bilingual sample ballots, as well as posted signs in Spanish.
And in all precincts, there will be ICX machines, which will allow voters to use the machines if they need assistance in Spanish to be able to cast a ballot in Spanish.
Mirna Gonzalez, organizing director of CASA, describes the changes as monumental.
By getting this agreement, this means so much because we're going to have that change. We're going to implement what we want, and our voices are going to be heard, and that is an amazing reward.
She also says it helps her community feel their voices are heard.
It is something that we all deserve. This is dignity, this is justice.
Now, it's worth mentioning how the agreement is part of a 5-year term and is expected to expire December 2028. However, advocates are hopeful they will solidify the voting protections put in place before then. Robert Stover, Fox 43 News.